channel, and if you are new here, hey, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it, and I'm so happy you're here. So for today's video, I just wanted to bring you a quick and easy one. I wanted to just bring you a quick and easy tutorial on how to do your eyebrows. I did one of these about 1.5 years ago, but I have changed the routine a little bit, and I wanted to give you an updated version. I know that eyebrows can be super difficult, and it's hard to find the right type of products. It's hard to find what you like. It's hard to find what works best for you. And I just wanted to give you some tips and some tricks on how I do my eyebrows, because I like how my eyebrows turn out. I think they're pretty good, so I thought that maybe you guys would like to see how I do my eyebrows. So if you want some tips and some tricks on how to do your eyebrows and get them looking snatched, then make sure you just keep on watching and we'll go ahead and get started. So first things first, I want to talk about the 3 eyebrow products that I genuinely love, and these are the 3 that I reach for the most. Also, I went ahead and did this eyebrow before I came on, just because I wanted to just get that out of the way, just show you how I do my eyebrow, and then this will be a quick video for you guys. But the 3 eyebrow pencils that I genuinely love and use all the time. So the first one is this Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. So one side has a spoolie and then the other side. And this is a thicker brow pencil. It has that thick tip. And this is the brow pencil I like to use when I'm going for a thicker, bolder, more like Instagram-esque type of brow. This is the brow pencil I reach for. It's really easy to get that thick, bold, like in-your-face eyebrow. It's so creamy, it's so pigmented. This is a really great brow pencil. The next one I want to talk about is the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Now, this is a tried and true for a ton of people. Anastasia brows have been, awesome forever. This is a little tiny, it looks like a pencil. This has that small tip, and it really is good for going in and getting those hair-like strokes. It's really good for just doing a natural brow, but you can still get a nice Instagram brow from it. This is creamy, it's pigmented, it's buildable, and it's a really great option. And last, but finally not least, I want to talk about the CoverGirl Microfine Brow Pencil. Now this is a dupe for the Anastasia Brow Wiz. This is pretty much the same thing. You get the same results and it's like half the price. So this is also a great option. This is the one I used today, so we're gonna go in and use this one. So first things first is I will comb up my eyebrows. This just kind of lets me see the shape of my arch and see where I need to follow along. So I'll start right here at the front and lightly start drawing that line underneath my eyebrow. Once I have the basic shape underneath, I'll comb my eyebrows down so I can see the top of my eyebrow shape a little bit better. Again, I'll start at the front and just start lightly carving out the shape of my eyebrow. Once I have that shape pretty much drawn out, I'll just go in and start filling in all of the little sparse areas where it looks like I don't have any brow hair. I'll comb my eyebrows back up. I'll fill in where I need to fill in some more. I always make sure to spoolie through so that I'm getting that product dispersed throughout my eyebrow and nothing looks too harsh. And then once I get to the front, I'll just start doing little hair-like strokes, kind of feathering it out and then spoolieing it up. And that is the basic shape and look of my eyebrow. You can stop right here and go with this. You can have a little bit of a bushier, more bolder brow if you do that. I don't do that. I always carve out underneath my eyebrows just because I'm a little bit messy and I want to make sure I get that nice, like sharp eyebrow. So to do that, I'll just use whatever concealer I'm using that day. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. And then I'll just take a small synthetic, like rounded brush to carve out my eyebrows. Just a small synthetic brush, and it really just allows me to follow the shape of my eyebrow and carve them out. So I'll just put a little concealer on this brush. I'll start right here at the front Go slow when you're doing this because you don't want to mess up and get concealer in your eyebrow, because then you have to fix that. Right here when I get to the tail, I kind of taper it off and make that tail sharp. I'll just go in with my little beauty sponge and blend that out. You can use your finger as well. So now, as you can see, that eyebrow is nice and sharp. It's a little sharper and it just looks better, in my opinion. So the last and final step, and probably one of the most important, I think, is to highlight my brow bone. This just adds to that arch, just adds a little detail there, and it just helps make your eyebrows look really good and put together. To do that, I like to just use the Morphe M508. It is a small little rounded brush, and it's just perfect for getting right underneath that arch of your eyebrow. And then I just pop this right underneath the arch of my eyebrow. Just adds a little bit of detail, just makes it look a little bit more snatched. My eyebrows never look exactly the same. They're always more like sisters or cousins. They never really look the same, but I like how my eyebrows turn out. And yeah, that's it for this video. It's just a simple and quick one. I wanted to go over my new updated brow routine. I know I did one of these like 1.5 years ago, and I've changed it up a little bit. I'm a little less messy and I'm a little more detailed when doing my eyebrows. This is something that I think a lot of people struggle with. I know eyebrows can be hard. It took me forever to figure out how to do my eyebrows and how I like doing my eyebrows. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up down below. I would really, really appreciate it. And while you're down there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell right beside it so you can be notified every time I upload content. It is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and you just don't want to miss out on my videos. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.